Hi stitching friends, it's a really drizzly cold and dull day here in Scotland, but I did some clearing out last night and I came upon this pattern which I haven't actually looked at for ages, and I was really surprised when I saw it and I thought, oh my goodness, how long has it been since I did this beautiful angel? And it's not even finished, so I don't know what happened. I can only imagine that I must have got fed up with it, or maybe I found a different pattern and moved on to something else. But look at it, and I was just thinking it's like seeing it again for the first time, and I thought it was really beautiful. So here it is, and I'll tell you which one it is. It's called well, it actually doesn't even have a name on this page here. It's from Vervaco. I'm not even sure how you pronounce that particular brand. Vervaco, and it's a picture of two gorgeous angels, and I recognize this painting, and I think it's one of Michaelangelo. And I think it's absolutely lovely. So as you can see, I've only done this particular angel on the right side, and I've still got to do the one on the left. But I can't believe that I left this aside and probably swapped it for something else, or maybe something else was going on in my life and I just didn't get around to doing it. But it's a lovely pattern. I don't know if you've seen it, or you've maybe somebody's done it and could show me the finished result. That would be really interesting. So there must have been a piece of paper that came with this chart which showed the fabric count. So I'm not entirely sure. It looks to me like either a 14 or a 16 at the most. It doesn't actually say very much. Oh right, it does. I've just found it, and it says it's 14 count per inch. So that's the count of the fabric that came with it, and it's a pretty good eider. It's nice and firm. So I can't believe it's lasted all these years. This pattern is at least 10 years old. So it's just amazing when you discover these things at the back of a cupboard. So have you pulled out a pattern from your cupboard that you haven't seen for years, and are you ever tempted to finish them, or do you just give them away and let other people finish them, or do you just chuck them out? I'd be interested to know. So it remains to be seen what I'm going to do with this one, because I don't actually think I'm going to hang it up and frame it anywhere. I know I'm not supposed to show you the chart, and I don't really want to show you the chart, but I've just pulled it out of the bag and it is a hot mess. And just look at that. It's terrible, isn't it? I mean, who is going to want to work on that? You can just tell that something happened and I really wasn't interested in it any longer for some reason, and I feel so bad about it. I obviously wasn't a very experienced stitcher at the time because my threads are all still bundled up in a bag, and I hadn't got round to putting them on any bobbins or sorting them out in any way, which is a bit of a shame. So I just think it's a shame, and I don't actually know, because I have other works that I'm doing at the moment. I don't actually know if I should continue with this one and add it to the rest, or whether I should wait till I've finished one that I'm doing and then start this one and try and finish this one again. So what do you think? I'm really indecisive at the moment. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you later.